Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to check IMEI numbers of this device. So let's start with a secret code, which is the quickest way to check the IMEI numbers. So let's open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. It is maybe a little bit longer, however, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it simply. So let's enter the settings. And right here in this left section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, either the traditional one or eSIM. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.